Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Content creator Lerato Nxumalo wahambela lapha ku-Instagram wayovakalisa kuva buhlungu emva kokuthi bamqole 7,000 rands kasana. Bantu labaqolanako abaningi indlela esimanga kulamalanga and beta ngendlela letiningi bakutshela ukuthi basekhipha itheke umuntu angathengisa into leti langadithengise ku-social media bese uya-order oba kubloke. Wahamba wayobhala lapha ku-Instagram story yasakhe ukuthi u-ode tinwele from i-company la ibone laphana ku-TikTok mhla ka-4 June exactly 5 days before ahamba aya eSweden asuke eSweden rather aya eJohannesburg. Uthi I knew ukuthi it wouldn't arrive in South Africa within 5 days, so I was desperate for a wavy curl kind of wig that I wanted to wear emshadweni that I was attending mhla ka-14. Uthi I ordered the wig to be delivered to Sweden since it's geographically closer to Vietnam, and I was told the wig would be shipped out in 3 days. Uthi ngalinza kesana, and the wig didn't arrive ke. Uthi 2 June before I paid wamtshela titori ke lo muntu ukuthi hey iweave yakho seyitofika after mhla ka-4. Uthi njena beku-story after story until decide lo muntu lona ukuthi you know what, I'm tired of this girl. Look up izangiqeka wamblocker kuLerato. Uthi makamblocker ngilaqale khona kunyanya ukuthi abone ukuthi hayibo lapha la ngiskemiwe, ukuthi angisayibona i-profile picture, ngisabona lutho, ngiyabona ukuthi hayibo bandla naku phela lana sengiblockiwe. So uthe makahamba lapha ku-Instagram itolo yobhala alidenza abantu ukuthi bamqolile, wafaka ama-pictures aliliya page. Bantu abaningi baspema bendlela ukuthi bayikhiphe leya profile ma-social media platforms including Instagram, bamkhiphe bamblocke bakhiphe i-account yakhe because uskema kesana. And this person wa-unblock uLerato wamtshela ukuthi hayibo watshela abantu ukuthi baspeme i-account yami mina ngakublock. Uthi uLerato Nxumalo, this person is crazy because unga-unblock just to tell me ukuthi why mina ngithumele abantu ku-account yakhe ukuthi bayi-report. Uthi after that wang-unblocka wang-refunda because besekabona ukuthi now people are coming for that page. Besekabona ukuthi we ngaze ngaba seyinkingeni. Uqabangani yo askema muntu lo dume ngalendlela. Obvious people are gonna come for you. Ulivale ngemagama lathi soze uphinde ngibone ndi-order online. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.